If you're looking for business directory, local listing or local citation services, then you've come to the right place. WHR Marketing manually create local business directory listings and citations. So why a local business listing service? Our local citation services and business listing services is the best way to streamline your business information across the web for a strong, congruent brand. Data-backed actions derived from top-ranking local pages ensure we keep your ranking position at the forefront of our implementation strategy. Plus, matching your business data across all directories aids your SEO strategy. Therefore, you must prioritize your business listings as part of your online marketing strategy. When your potential customers do a local search, they see you in local directories and can easily check out your online reviews. We consider your target market, industry, and local area and create custom campaigns to bring your business up in local search. We report all actions so you can see exactly where you are at all times. We communicate everything we build, such as profile, login information, and directory source. Your custom audit will indicate what you need to fix to further improve better search results for the locality of your business. This works great alongside your backlink strategy. We will provide a full existing citation audit. We'll include rich media citations, including videos and photos. We'll focus on social media citations. And we'll provide a local citation service audit summary. Check out our digital marketing agency promo, which is a limited time only free online business report to help you get more customers, clients, and sales. The real price is $149.99. In human terms, this customized report will find all the problems on your website that are stopping you from increasing and maximizing the amount of customers, clients, and sales that your business deserves to be getting. So we'll find all of your online business problems and offer you the solutions. After that, it's up to you with what you do with them. All you have to do is fill in your name, email address, and website, and you'll get your report. We're here to help, so check out our blog or our services, or contact us if you have any digital marketing needs or SEO services that you need implementing.